Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and in this video I'm providing you with an exclusive Hostgator 1 penny coupon code discount to get your Hostgator hosting for just 1 cent. The promo code is Cupid17. I have provided you with the discount coupon code link provided below in the description, along with the promo code Cupid17, which you will need to enter under promotions at checkout. When you get to the checkout page, there will be a promo code there. Just remove and replace it with Cupid17. The 1 penny discount is only included for 1 month, so if you choose 1 month for the billing cycle, you will be charged 1 cent. If you select more than 1 month, it will tell you how much you will save by selecting more than the 1 month. Once you enter your promo code, your hosting will go to 1 penny, as you can see here. If you selected anything other than the 1 month discount or included any of the add-ons, you might see a slightly different price discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Enjoy your Hostgator 1 penny discount. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.